We are at the Baltal base camp of the Amarnath Yatra, one of the biggest base camps here in Sonmarg. Now behind me, as you can see, final preparations, final touches are underway. All the arrangements have been made. This is one of the biggest base camps and access control has been set up. And post Pahalgam terror attack, we know a lot of focus on security, not without a reason, because now the thought process is that if tourists are attacked, then obviously Yatris can also be the target. So no step left unturned as far as security manual is concerned. All measures have been taken. We came to this location. We were stopped at least 3-4 locations. Our reason for coming in was checked and identities were checked. So this is the base camp. Access control has been set up and their final arrangements are being made. This year, it will be a 38-day yatra period, so the days have come down, and post Pahalgam terror attack, the registration numbers have also come down. Now, this information was obviously confirmed by Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, who some days back spoke to the media and gave details about the arrangements that have been made for the Yatris. A lot of upgrade as far as lodging, boarding facilities, transport, medical facilities are concerned. But again, as I said, focus on security, a joint effort of the security agencies, belt forces, intelligencies. In fact, this year, close to 700 AI-based facial recognition cameras have been set up. I'll show you one such camera that is being installed here. And these cameras will do a job for the security agencies on both routes, that's Pahalgam as well as Sonmarg. So all in readiness as far as Yatra is concerned. And from 3rd of July, the Yatra, in fact 2nd, the Yatra will be flagged off from Jammu, and from 3rd from both the base camps in Baltal as well as Pahalgam. Mir Farid, Baltal base camp for India Today.